Hiya! I know it's been a long time since we've last seen each other. To be honest, it's been 11 weeks. And since we last saw each other here on the Peace Circle, we've done a lot of work and we finished the Peace Circle and we had a massive party. It was brilliant. We really enjoyed it. But anyway, let's get into the video and show you how it was.
You don't need the newest, the biggest or the shiniest, 'cause the gold that you hold may be something old or even the tiniest. Give all that you've got to give and love what you have, 'cause if you're old like me and mine, the shiny shines that you buy will just make you sad. Well, you can't buy love or the air that we breathe. You don't need to pay to eliminate greed. Just buy nothing. Buy nothing. Don't buy the spins. The best things ain't things, so make your heart
The face. His next album that's coming, absolute genial, absolute amazing album coming up, I'm sure. Mark.
Yeah, like I was saying, Mark Kelly, an amazing artist. Really go check out his music and his new stuff that's coming up soon. Ooh, it's really good. We were so blessed to have Mark Kelly here in Drieschta. Anyway, I was asked by my movers, can we learn something new? So I thought, yes, brilliant. I will teach you how to build walls and terraces. So this autumn, we've built a load of new walls and a load of new terraces. Here we go.
Everything you need is right in front of you, when you learn to see. Good things come to you. All you have to do is stop and take a look around. Before you intervene, don't do anything. Just come to all your senses. They'll tell you everything. First you have to learn to stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Listen to the sound. Why not take a whiff
You'll see much better if you use more than just your eyes. Take a step outside if you wanna know what your soil is like and what is gonna grow. All you have to do is stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Get your hands into the ground. Don't be scared of the dirt. It isn't gonna hurt. And if you're braver, try the flavor. Take a handful of that land and go on, squeeze it in your hand. Then check out the display. If it stays together, it's clay. But if it falls apart, it's sand. Oh yeah, take a look, take a look, take a look. Read the landscape like a book. Interact, low impact, get your feedback when you take a look around. Abundance will abound. The problem is the solution. Just depends on your perception. Try to change yourself before the world. Yeah, take a look around. On the inside and the out. 'Cause when you observe yourself, you see everything else. Make good use of it now.
The longer the autumn got, and the colder it started to become, the more I started to think about heating. So we started to build our first rocket stove oven heater / cooker in Pura Vida.
Hi, I'm your planet. You might know me from such places as the one you inhabit. I'm the air you breathe and the land on which you're standing, the food that you eat. But I'm getting a little bit dark on some of the ways you treat me. See, I give you everything you need, yet still you want more. You're falling over yourselves with greed. Yeah, it's time I remind you to exercise restraint. Because if there's one thing you should know, it's infinite I ain't. You better LIMIT what you take from me. Just get to know the deal with my LIMIT.
Now, we've not heated up the oven yet or gone any further than what you've just seen, because emotions got heated up here. And not just that, we also were very lucky. One of our water heaters started to burn, and we were lucky there was no more further damage than just this bit of damage here. But yeah, so with the heated emotions, lots of things changed. people decided there was more disadvantages than advantages up here in Drieschta, and now I'm living up here by myself. Claudia down in the valley because of work, not because of me, luckily. We've got all our winter wood ready, or a whole lot of winter wood ready, we hope.
Now you've been having a field day on my skin, cutting it up, burrowing in, but I'm reaching for my skin lotion to take away the pain. You better start to regulate your lifestyles of excess, 'cause I'm picking up my telephone and dialing up the pest control guy. So get your LIMIT on.
A good thing that's come around this winter is I don't have to go to school this winter, because I've already done this year's school 2 years ago. Anyway, long, complicated political story. But the advantage is, on school days, Claudia's up here anyway because I had to go to school. But now I can go to my apprenticeship farm and learn other practical farming jobs, like riding a tractor and sorting out fields.
I'm gonna count to 3, 1, 2, 'cause I've had it up to here. So get your LIMIT on.
Since being alone and everyone leaving now, I've been taking it a little bit slower, not doing quite as much, but always staying busy. One of the main things I've achieved and I'm really happy about is Monsoon and we've been practicing, and Monsoon has actually carried up his first package all the way to Drieschta. Well done, Monsoon. You've made me proud. On a sad note, we've had let our goats go. We've sold 3 of them and butchered 7, and we've kept the 3 boys because they're more than cute, and they were our Christmas present
'Cause
anyway.
I've got limits, and I'm not afraid to use them.
The snow has been, and the snow has gone again, and that was the end of this video, this update, and I thank you for coming by and seeing everything we've been doing in the past 11 weeks. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and I hope to see you again when I next make an English update. Right, keep smiling, and don't forget, the world's a better place with you in it. Bye bye.
The future's yours for the choosing.